In this video you will learn how to create and format notes and annotations. In Adonis, you can use text annotations or notes to provide annotations to the reader of a model. Let's append a note to a task to offer more details about it. Click on the task. Then click on More and choose the note object. The note will appear below the task. To open the text editor, select the note and then click on it again. Enter the annotation you want to display. You can change the font or font size, pick a text color, or make the text bold, etc. When you're done, just click outside of the text editor to close it. Resize the note as needed to display the whole text. Double-click on the note to open its properties. Alternatively, you can directly show the description of any object connected to a note via the HasNote relation. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.